Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. Checking out this tree watering spike. So basically this helps you to get the fertilizer or water right down to the roots of your tree without having to just run it on top, and especially if you're on a sloped ground, the water can just run off to somewhere else. It doesn't really get down to your roots. But with this you can just put it down into the ground and water right there. So we have this little container here, and you can put liquid fertilizer in here, and that's going to help fertilize your tree or bush as well. So that's cool. There's that. And there's this, already comes with some Teflon tape on there. And there's the tip of that. That is pretty solid. This is feels like some pretty heavy duty metal there. And it has water spouts all the way around as well as in the end there. And look at that. That should be fairly easy to push into the ground, I would think. Okay. Okay, if you want to water this, you don't have to hook up the fertilizer if you don't want to, but if you do want to, then you can just hook that up there. If you want to hook up just a regular hose onto here and just water that way, then you could do that. This is just going to screw right into here. Make sure it gets in there nicely. Okay, once we get it going. Shouldn't be a problem here. Okay, that's nice and solid. And then these handles here, it's got a nice big grip thing with foam on here. We can just push that right down into the ground, and that's going to be pretty easy to do. This should give us plenty of leverage, and this is really sharp, so we should just push that down in the ground even if the ground is a little hard. Okay, so let's go out here and check it out. We can get this going. So a lot of benefits to this. You don't waste as much water, like I said, if it's running off the top, and you can just get the water directly down around the roots of the plant, and it helps the plant to get that also with the fertilizers and stuff. So let's go ahead and try this out, shall we? All right, my friends, so right here I have the switch, got my blueberry bushes here, and then I can just regulate like how much water I want to go in there. And I like how this is, you can just do it really slow, just barely irrigate it if you want. And that's gonna, I like how it's kind of a little bit longer, so even if I have a bush here, I can still push that down into the ground, and that's gonna water right there. You could see before we had all this green grass because we'd water here and the water would just kind of flow down there and make the grass really green, and probably get our blueberries too. But this we can just inject it right down into the stem there. And I'm just going to show you guys this real quick, how the water comes out of here. So with this you can see it's going to come out of the ends. Might have a little bit of dirt in the end holes there, but it goes in all directions, so that's really nice. I just soaked myself. That hose works pretty good here as far as being able to just push it into the ground. My ground's pretty hard here, so I had to twist it around a little bit in this area to get it to go down, because it's like basically rock under there. But near my blueberry bushes, I could get it to go down about 8 to 10 inches in there, and that's plenty to, and then just turn your water on gently, and you're able to just irrigate your plants without wasting a whole bunch of water. So pretty neat idea, my friends. Like, this is really solid, not leaking at all. This feels really strong. I was putting my whole weight on top of it and twist it back and forth, and let's look at the tip here. It's not damaging. It's really sharp there. So this is well constructed and strong. Yeah, just a nice gardening tool. Thanks so much for watching this video, my friends. And even Thomas approves. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.